everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Peace. So right now I'll be preparing lunch and I'll be making pilau without meat. So let's go into it. So I'll start by chopping my onions. In our saucepan, I'll go ahead and add cooking oil. And then I'll add the onions. Then right now I'll go ahead and add in our ginger garlic paste. So in order for our onions not to burn, I'll add in some water. And then I'll go ahead and add in our ground pilau masala. So our pilau masala always consists of cumin seeds, coriander, black pepper, cloves, cardamom, some cinnamon sticks. So here they added some rosemary, but that's always optional for me. I'll add in salt to taste. And then I'll go ahead and pour in water at this stage because most of the onions have dissolved. So we're cooking 1 cup of rice. So I'll go ahead and add in 2 cups of water. And then I'll drop in the bay leaves. So right now I'll cover and bring it to boil. Then I'll add our rice. I'll go ahead and wash our rice. This is Pakistani rice, so it doesn't require a lot of soaking. So right now our water is boiling. I'll go ahead and add in our rice. So right now I'll cover and let it boil. So right now our rice is drying up. I'll just cover and remove the firewood. So at this stage we shall remove our bay leaves. And then I'll give it a stir. So this is how easily we make our pilau rice without beef, but with simply onions and spices. So right now it's serving time. That's how pilau looks like. So right here we have our leftover sauce from yesterday. It's what I'll just put on my rice. So that's the easiest way of making pilau without beef. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you're new, subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.